Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm a Coke Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. And today I just want to congratulate everyone in the Coke family because Coke coins continue to rise. All right, and we are on the rise. As I said before. And so kind of today this video is just based on just the current market update. All right. So first, let's go to Coke coin. And I said rather Bitcoin goes up or down, KOK-COIN should continue to go up because that's all we have seen in the pattern. And it is what it is until it no longer is what it is, right? And right now, I mean, this is quite a parabolic move considering just in March, we were 50 cents, okay? And now in April, we are at $2, almost $2.60, which we touched $2.60. So we're about $2.58. All right. So from March to September. So let's think about that. That's June, July, August, September. Just 4 months ago, we're at 50 cents. And now we are at 250. All right. That's 5 times more. Okay. Think about that. And if you just look, I mean, we're just constantly taking steps higher and higher. All right, that's what we are doing. We're just making steps, and which each step, we're just moving up. Okay. And I think, it's not going to stop. I don't know. Eventually, you might have a point where maybe after $3.50 to $5, but I think we're still good past 3. All right, now, and it doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin can continue, rather it continues at its current pace or it goes down, is not going to matter. Okay, it's not going to matter. I'm going to tell you guys why. Remember when Bitcoin was around $30,000, I said it's going to go back up to around 50. I still think it could hit 55,000. You could go back, check my previous video or videos. I've always said, around 52, 53,000, but 55 is, I think, is very fair estimate. And I said I think it'll go down over after that. Do I still hold to it? I mean, yeah, I still hold to it. But right now, Bitcoin is looking good. But you have some serious resistance levels for Bitcoin. So if you look here, everything, rather is a wick, okay, or the candle, it all prints around $49,493. Bitcoin broke it. And now if you notice, this last candle here, this red candle on the daily at the very end, is actually using it as a support. It was resistance. You had some wicks breaking it, but at the end of the day, the candles wouldn't break that, 49,000 around 500. Now it's using it as a support. So here's the thing. If Bitcoin goes back under, and it reuses it as a resistance instead of a support, it's going to be a problem. All right. I still think Bitcoin has time to go in terms of going down. Now I'm going to show you a few charts. So like here, once again, 2017 from 20,000 goes down to 11,000, pops up to 17,000, which is about 85%, and it goes down. Here, 2013, $1,300 goes down to $450, goes back to $1,100, which is around 85%, goes back down. Now, if this is the top, if we're looking at the top, around 65,000. In order to hit around 85%, it needs to go up to around 54 to 55,000. And that's why in the previous video I said, yeah, I know I said around 52, 53,000 is a good possibility, but even 55 is good if it follows these models. However, there's also Benjamin Cohen. What he's saying is, and this is very plausible, that, and I recommend you look him up and subscribe, because I do. If you look here, this is 2013, the one where it goes from 1,300 down to 450 and back up to 1,100, where it's 85%, which is true. But after that next peak, we have this. And here, you have this where it is, about 3/4 way up. It goes back down, and then it hits the line, and then goes down. Then you have the 2017 peak. 20,000, goes down, goes up to 17,000, and then boom, it drops off. And right now we're here. This is that 65,000 range. Back down to 30,000. We're at the tip of the green. And so, is it going to go up? We don't know, right? And so, if this mimics this, then I would say next year is going to go up, it's going to hit its peak price. And the reason I say that is because from 2013 to this point here, it took 672 days. From 2017 to right now, it took 1,211 days. So that's about 2 times. So from this peak to here, it took 235 days. So if you double that, it's around, 470 days. So it could be around, 450 days where it'll finally hit the top. Now, if that is the case, I want y'all to look at this. Once again, history is never exactly the same, but it kind of rhymes, right? It tends to rhyme. History rhymes. So from here, the midway peak, it goes down, touches the bottom of the green box, hits the top, and it goes back down towards the middle and goes up. Here, we touch the bottom of the green box. We're at the top of the green box, which means I would imagine, even if it rhymes and that is not exactly the same, it should head back down. Rather, it takes weeks, couple weeks or a month, but it should go back towards the middle and then start accumulating in the green box. It could even go towards the bottom of the green box, doesn't matter. And then next year, it'll go up where Bitcoin will peak. And that's when, if KOK-COIN continues to perform the way it does, it'll be like over a $10 coin. And really, if you look at the platform, because of everything that KOK-COIN is doing with the metaverse, partners, everything, solid platform, solid business or white paper, everything is legit, everything works. Okay, I know that they lost, now you don't see the advertisements, but I believe it'll come back. All right. So that being said, right now, KOK-COIN, it looks good. And if you look, even when Bitcoin went down from 65,000 to 30,000, KOK-COIN went up more than, 2-3 times from when Bitcoin went down more than 50%. So once again, as I said, it is what it is until it no longer is what it is. And so KOK-COIN will continue to go up. Everything looks good. Everything looks good for KOK-COIN. For Bitcoin, I don't think it's going to be looking too good within a month and a half. All right, either ways, I expect some downside, even after Bitcoin might hit that 55. I could be wrong, though. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I think will happen based on what I see in the charts. in the best case scenario, Bitcoin will just go down towards the end of the green box and then move up. All right, in my opinion, after Bitcoin hits around 55,000. Or if that doesn't happen, Bitcoin, and that is the top, then, yeah, Bitcoin go up around 55,000 and boom, it is crashing down. So we'll see what happens. I do, it really, and I think I've shown you guys, because just look at all the previous videos that I've made market updates, and I know I've shown this chart before. So yeah, we'll see how everything works out. Okay, but I told you on one of the exchanges I sold all my altcoins, and I'm waiting for the dip. At least till it starts going towards the middle of this green box before I slowly start putting more positions in from what I sold. One exchange I didn't sell anything. I just hold them. No matter what, I just hold them. And for my KOK-COINs, I never sell my KOK-COINs. Why sell my KOK-COINs? It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. It just continues to go up. All right. So the market update is KOK-COIN looks good. You got more upsides going. Okay, even if Bitcoin goes down, you might have some, these wicks down on the pullbacks, but KOK-COIN should just continue to go up. Because until it doesn't, that's what it'll continue to do. All right, everyone. If you're new to the channel, if you like it, please subscribe, hit the like, share the link, and if you want to join the platform, the KOK family, just go to Play Store, type in KOK space PLAY, KOK space PLAY. You're going to need an invite code. Use mine. Okay. QAABIRWL, and you will be part of the KOK Play family. All right. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be safe, be careful out there. All right. A lot of supply chain issues, so maybe you want to stock up on some goods to play it safe, right? Buy some products here, because the prices continue to go down in terms of its value to KOK Play. Okay. All right, everyone, stay blessed. God bless. KOK on.